Hello, my friends. My name is Kris Gethin, and I've been voted the world's #1 trainer twice. And I have found a godsend for myself and my clients. And I have it right here, actually. It is the NAD at home, which is fitting because I can take it at home or anywhere on my travels, no issues. Now, I've been taking NAD for many years in supplemental form via intravenous injections, all sorts. And the supplements are easy and convenient, but the IVs have proved to be a huge inconvenience for me as it would take a large portion of my time with the travel to the clinic, scheduling, and actually the IV itself takes about an hour. Now, doing it at home is so freaking simple. It's a time saver. It's cheaper, it's definitely less painful, and instead of having a large needle put into you intravenously, you have a little tiny needle like this, kind of like a lancet that you just put subcutaneously or under the fat. Now, at 49 years old, my most recent biological age is 26, which is very important to me. NAD levels drop by about 50% between the ages of 40 and 60, which is a huge indicator of the aging process. So taking NAD on a regular basis has been a huge priority in my anti-aging endeavor. Now, I find that my energy levels are so much better. I travel a lot for my businesses and I've been on the road for around 6 months this year already. So I often lack sleep. But when I'm consistent with taking NAD, my energy levels and my ability to sustain focus is night and day different. Now, one other thing I've noticed with both myself and some of my clients is that the ability to recover from workouts is enhanced, which makes sense because NAD is a coenzyme that helps recycle nutrients into energy and boost the metabolism. And another plus for my clients who want to lose fat or maintain lower body fat levels is that their cravings are much lower. They're able to control their cravings. So if you want to slow down the aging process, decrease cravings, enhance your energy levels and your ability to recover, then NAD at home should be in your home.